Making thousands of dollars on TikTok is becoming easy these few days. Some teenagers are making more than their parents with TikTok and without showing their faces. Today we're checking out the most profitable niches on TikTok. Niches that are completely different from each other and doesn't ask you to show your face. So let's dive into it. And the first niche, entertainment. It's a vast niche with a lot of opportunities and very easy. You just have to take a GTA, a clip, to attract your viewers. And choose any viral or interesting video from YouTube. Most popular are blind date, documentaries, or podcasts. This niches let you have more chance to go viral and grow your followers faster than other niches. And this niche can be very profitable. Second niche, sports. The sports niche on TikTok is where fans and athletes gather to share their love for all things sports. You'll find everything from amazing highlights and behind-the-scenes peeks to expert commentary and fan reactions. Use the most popular sports to get higher chance to get viral, like football, basketball, tennis, or just sports in general. Whether you're into mainstream sports or niche ones like parkour or skateboarding, there's content for everyone. With this kind of niche, you can easily make video of more than 1 minute to get paid more. Third niche, business and finance. The business and finance niche on TikTok is like having your own personal finance advisor in your pocket. Whether you're curious about investing, eager to start your own business, or just want to make smarter money decisions, this corner of TikTok has you covered. From quick tips on budgeting to in-depth analyses of market trends, creators share practical advice that's actually helpful. It's not just about making money, it's about understanding how money works and using that knowledge to build a better financial future for your followers. This niche can be very profitable, especially if you're selling a course. Fourth niche, top 10 lists. In the top 10 niche on TikTok, it's all about lists and rankings. From favorite movies to top travel destinations, creators count down their top picks in fun and engaging ways. It's like peeking into someone's favorites list and discovering new things to love. Whether you're looking for recommendations or just love a good countdown, this niche has something for everyone with all the topics you can talk about. This would be in my best and easy niches to make money on TikTok. Fifth niche, looks maxing. The looks maxing niche on TikTok is a growing community focused on self-improvement, particularly in enhancing one's physical appearance. From skincare routines to grooming tips, fitness regimens, and fashion advice, creators within this niche share insights and techniques to maximize attractiveness. With a blend of practical advice and motivational content, looks maxing TikTokers inspire their audience to take control of their appearance and boost confidence. You can earn money from the TikTok Beta Creator Program, but not only, a lot are earning money with affiliate links in their bio. Thanks for joining us on this journey through TikTok's best niches. We hope you found something that inspired and interested you. Making a lot of views and money on TikTok takes time, so be patient. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button to support me and make sure to subscribe to not miss any way to make money. I'll catch you later for another video and good luck for your journey.